What's up, guys? So today we are gonna see how to create a workflow that's gonna allow us to take a YouTube video and to use the same content from the YouTube video to post it on other platform without having to spend a lot of time to do manually the work. So let's get started. So the first node that we are gonna use is gonna be YouTube, and here we're gonna use the watch video in a channel trigger. So basically, obviously, here you will have to connect the YouTube video the YouTube account that you want to get the video from. So and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a OpenAI module, and here we're gonna use generate a transcript generate a transcript. So here we're gonna use this one with the whisper. So as you can see, it's translated in audio to English. And here, what we can do, obviously here we don't have to do really anything, and the data here is gonna be we're gonna get the data from the YouTube here. So what we can do is just use this data and file. We can do video edit and we can save. Then what we can do is obviously to we're gonna use a text parser. So basically here we're gonna do HTML to text. So here is really just we just want to have the data here to be parsed, so it's gonna be clear English to then post it on to feed it to another AI module. And here we're gonna generate a response again. So here I'm gonna do text prompt, and the model we can use just this one. And the prompt here what we can do is really we can put a basic prompt. So basically you are a content creator expert, and then you can add whatever you want here. If you want a specific thing, but also what you can do is you can ask ChatGPT directly for a prompt. So let's say if we use a new chat here, so we can say give me a prompt for a automation or get YouTube transcript transcript propose it on as a text post on other platform. So let's see what we're gonna get. Okay, so here we don't need that because we already have the automation. So we're just gonna take the first, and here we can paste it. So then, just like that, we can save. And then what we can do is, obviously in this scenario, we can, if you just want to post it on LinkedIn or Facebook or anything, you can just post it right here. But in our scenario, what we can do is use water, and here we're gonna have three social media where we're gonna post it on. So obviously you can add or remove anyone if you just need one or two. So first one is gonna be a LinkedIn post. So we're gonna use create a user post, user text post. Here we're gonna use the same but for Instagram. So Instagram, we're gonna use a carousel post because we don't want to create a video in this scenario, and then we can use Facebook, for example. So create a post like that, and so just like that, you can have a YouTube video. Then we can feed the data to the AI. We can format the data to feed it again to the AI, and then automatically the AI is gonna post on our social media platform. So from one video, so you can, if you want, you can just focus on YouTube, and then you can still have a social presence on other platform without requiring any other time investment from your part. So basically, it's really simple, and what you just have to do is just create a connection and use your personal social media logins, and yeah, that's it. So I hope you find that helpful, and yeah, see you in the next one.